live on Facebook and we are live on Zoom. Glorii is basically a platform where we are bringing extracurricular classes, that is like coding classes, language classes like Spanish classes, classes on climate change, classes on research, classes on dance, classes on music, all for children everywhere.
Mi nombre is Aaron.
Okay.
Mi nombre.
Okay.
Oh.
To say bye is adiós. Can you repeat with me? Bye, adiós.
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 I need one volunteer now. We have some kid and I want you to have this conversation, okay? One, you start. Tell me something.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo te estás?
Bien. ¿Y tú?
Tú bien, gracias.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you. Now, very good. Thank you. You already know it. Excellent. That makes me really happy. You already know everything. Now, Naira, don't worry. You will get
¿Cómo
to
te
learn.
llamas?
Me llamo Harsh. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Camila. ¿De dónde eres, Harsh?
Yo soy de India.
Here we have number 4. Cuatro. Repeat with me. Cuatro.
Cuatro. Cuatro. Cuatro. Cuatro. Cuatro. Cinco.
Okay, good job. And here we have
Cinco,
number
I
5.
know that.
Cinco.
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 Next, I know what will come.
What will come
Yeah.
next?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, my number has appeared. Ocho. Zero.
Sir, fourth row, third one.
That's those. Okay, where is those? Where's the other those?
Those first one.
First
Sir,
one.
First one, correct. So that's done.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? And buenos días means good morning. So try to say good días.
Ma'am, what is a good night in Spanish?
Good night is buenas noches. Repeat with me. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Yes.
Buenas
good. Buenas
noches.
noches.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
many kids are asking what is the word for excited.
Yeah, excited is emocionado. Emocionado. Can you repeat with me?
Emocionado.
Emocionado.
Is
Yes.
verde. You can see it. This is rosa. And we have one color left.
Blanco.
Yes, blanco. We have 4 colors.
That was actually very interesting class.
Yes. Let's make this one also interesting.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Ask phrases, what do you want to know? Like ask phrases from Andrea, what do you want to know? What do you want to say?
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.
Okay, I
Andrea.
love it. Es te amo. Yo te amo, mamá.
You say
Mama.
Mama.
Yes.